Walmart, delivered up there. Look how filthy this freaking thing is. All the salt. It is crazy. It's literally like caked on there everywhere. Everywhere, literally. Like I said, we're in Maryland. I just tried to clean my windows the best I could, but it's pretty freaking cold. That'll have to do, because my fingers are freezing. Like I said, we are in California, Maryland. Just delivered. Probably got about a good 2 hours up to Baltimore. I'm gonna start heading that way, because there's not gonna be anything here, and I'm looking for something to go home. Yeah, it's filthy in here too. It continues. Then I got my leaf blower here. It's okay. I mean, that is not okay. It's dirty, but I'm not going outside there. This will have to do. Yeah, I got my leaf blower because I'm pulling my cousin straight up my trailer. Is a great thing getting fixed, but yeah, I got a bridge to show you guys, so let's fire this thing up. Check this out. We're inside. Inside the building. It's that upstate New York. It's cold up here. Here we go. As you can see, we got some snow up here. Got my new boots on, rocking. It's all right. Truck's looking good. Needs a wash. Hopefully we get one tomorrow. Let's hop in, get on the GoPro. So we got some rain. As you can see, we're here at a receiver. That's our unloader right there. And he's not too happy because he was expecting a pallet jack for me to pallet jack it to the tail of the trailer. And obviously that didn't happen. Truck's looking good at least. And yeah, I obviously don't have a pallet jack. So they have to rope it and pull it all the way to the door. And now they're unloading that. But man, look at that thing, man. Look at the stacks though. Check that out. Thing looks good. It's seeing cinematic. And now we're shooting in cinematic. That truck looks good with them stacks. Kind of disappointed, to be honest, by the wash job. It looks good right now because it's wet, but yesterday the Blue Beacon washed my truck and obviously my tanks and whatnot, and they're very, very streaky. Yeah, you can still tell, you know. I mean, it's supposed to look like this where you can see me, but it's very, very streaky. And then I put this thing here, so I'm not sliding. This is just from a step. I bought a purple one, as you've seen before, but it doesn't really like to stick because it was cold. So I think what I'm gonna do maybe this weekend when I do my oil change, it's supposed to rain all weekend, so I don't know. I want to take this top off, this cover, and then put purple on there. But as you can see, this is all streaked out. Yeah, let's hop inside now. All right, so I'm in Swansea, Illinois, which is right outside of St. Louis. And I, first of all, I didn't even know this was a job site delivery. I took this load myself. I didn't know that this was a job site delivery load. And I had 3 pickups and I had 1 drop. So my first pickup was in, what is it? Something New York, somewhere in up on I-86. I delivered in Maryland, and then I went empty to Pittsburgh, about 300 miles, and then I ended up heading 240 miles to pick up a load in New York up there on I-86, and then I had 2 more pickups in Chicago, like West Chicago, on the bypass, and picked those up And then today I'm delivering here, and I was just confused because the broker had an address as like 113410, and I'm like, there's no address that I've ever seen that has 6-digit numbers. And this street is super small, so I'm like, I know for a fact this street does not have that many numbers. But I saw this school right here, and it said 410, because it's a residential street. And I'm like, I'm not going to be delivering this stuff to somebody's house, so it's got to be either like a school or a church. And they were, I think they're solar panel brackets, that's what they were doing. So, anyways, I stopped there in the middle lane, and I waited, and then these guys came out. You know, I called the broker. Nobody knows who to contact. Nobody knows the actual address. Nothing new. And, you know, funny enough, they left out the part where it's a job site delivery, you know. And they left out the part they want a pallet jack, because if they have that part, they know they're going to pay more money. And I'm sure the customer paid them more money, but they're cutting out, leaving that part out to the carrier. Typical for a mega broker. It is what it is. But yeah, we're getting offloaded here. Hopefully we get offloaded decently quick. I can go to my yard, drop this trailer. This is my cousin's trailer, and then go get my trailer, which hopefully is done up at Great Dane. They did a DOT inspection, and my roof, it was leaking a little bit somewhere in the front. I'm not sure. And then I also have to get a tire patched, so we'll see. Yeah. We're gonna stay here, keep on rolling. I need to go get a haircut today, shave my beard. Well, whatever beard I do have, there's a little mustache, you know. I wish I had beard right here, but my dad gave me crappy genetics. I'm short and I have a patchy beard. Thanks. Yeah, that's the plan, I guess. I'm gonna get loaded, probably hop on GoPro or something and record a little bit. So catch you in a bit. All right, head on. Super view. It's a little bit tight in here, but we're gonna ride some curves. It's all right. There's nobody back there. Everybody left. You gotta swing it pretty wide. To not hit that one. And unlike this trailer house, has those skirts, the wind deflectors, whatever you call them. It just gets in the way, man. Railroads, low docks, just gonna get you stuck. Let's head to the yard. I called Great Dane. He said he was gonna call me back. Over there. Now I'm gonna swing it to the right. And I'm almost certain I'm gonna ride this one here, because that's why I did come in and pretty sure. Maybe not. Rather ride it with the trailer than my steers. The other day I was in a PA up there. I fueled up at this truck stop and it was so narrow I had to ride the median to get out. And then, you know, my truck's sitting like this and my trailer's pushing on the truck at an angle. It was a mess. I thought for sure my tank on my catwalk would get messed up. Camera bounces on the hat, as you can see. Swansea, Illinois. It's easy to get to, right off 64. Somewhat familiar with this area. There's a Harbor Freight down the street that I used to go to a couple times. These stacks are not that loud. Matt's stacks from Nomad Trucker, his stacks are louder, but it's weird because we have the same engine and everything, same truck. But his stacks are louder. It's like a deeper growl, and he also has 7s. Only difference is it's miter cut, so our elbows, everything is identical. Only thing that's different on his is the exhaust pipe off the turbo. He's got an S pipe, and mine is just like angled and then just straight. So maybe that's it. But I almost don't mind it because when you're driving for a long time, you know, it's not as bad. This trailer is nice. But if I had a trailer like this, I like these side things on the side of the trailer. If another trailer swipes you, they hit that metal first. It's not gonna stop them from damaging your trailer, but it's gonna help, you know. It is a nice trailer though. That's like a 23, 24. Just sucks now I gotta lose about another hour going up there to O'Fallon, pick up my trailer, come back down, but it's alright. Then I'll be home for at least 3 days. And then it's New Year's, probably not gonna be too much work next week. Hey guys, that's probably gonna do it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next one. Stay safe. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year if I don't make anything else.